So hello, welcome back to the garden, another episode of Bug Vision, and now we're going to see an unopened Allium serendipity, petunia, white and pink with some virus infection, and some Allium angulosum sára and some Allium pschkemense. So I turn off the light and we switch to Bug Vision, and the first Allium has red buds, so it's invisible for the pollinators, and the pink petunia glows in reddish, but if you look closely, the stigma and the anthers and the pollen look yellow. This is a better one, a white petunia, and you can see the pollen grains glowing nicely, and this is very interesting because it's full white but there's a dark center, and the pollen glows very nicely in the dark red center, while when we turn off the light back, we see that those are the veins in the flower. And our third specimen is Allium angulosum sára, and you can see that the pollen is glowing orangish yellow. These are not the best flowers because some of them have been already pollinated, and you can see that the pollinated flowers have red color. Those are already having seeds, so these are miniature seed pods. But here with the pschkemense, you can see that the ovaries are glowing bluish, so pollinators can see the blue ovaries and the yellow stamens, which are also glowing yellow in UV light. This flower head is finished now. This one has a couple of open flowers, and that's it. But here, this is Allium flavum. You can see that the flowers are glowing red, but the anthers are glowing yellow. So you can see it looks like a little fireworks. Also with Allium carinatum. So irrespective of the flowers, the anthers glow really nicely. And here I just have to pick up my stuff because I'm carrying 50 meters of cable in the garden, so it's like almost 170 feet. Another Allium which has nice glowing flowers, and the anthers glow nicely yellow. And you can see there's an unopened bud with a lot of pollen at the tip, and it's lovely. So thank you for attention. See you in the next part. Bye bye.